What's good, everybody? On today's video, we're taking a look at this GVM Star LED light. This is a little different than your traditional ring lights. Color temperature that you can get from here is 32 to 5600 Kelvin. It's got detachable rays. You got controls for the dimness. It does come with this stand.
In this video, I'm going to assemble this and I'm going to find out exactly how much of a difference it makes. Stay tuned for the whole video.
What's good, everybody? So today we have this GVM professional lighting setup. So we're gonna set this up and see how much better this is than a ring light. This is no ordinary ring light. The color temperature that you can get from here is 32 to 5600 Kelvin. So you get a ring light, which is about 6 inches. And within this ring, you have the on and off button. You got controls for the dimness, and you have the ability to put in the individual prongs into the slots. So this is how they come. So each one can be used individually, or you plug them all in. So they click in right here into the base, like that. Now that we have our ring in, as you can see, every surface is an LED. Now, because it's not a circle, it gives you a way better casting of the light, and it travels a lot further as well. So let's plug this in. This is a 1/4 inch thread. So we've got a 1/4 inch thread here, and then we've got one at the bottom as well. It would be nice if they provided us with a mounting system that allows us to rotate it. So I do have some, so I'm going to attach it later. But for now, let's see how this handles. So in addition, they did provide you with a bracket that connects your camera right here. So the bracket goes in here, and then the camera goes, your DSLR connects to this bracket right here from the bottom, or you can connect quick release or anything else, and then that way the camera goes right through this hole here, and then you're getting the whole setup, right? So they did think of everything. Power supply comes with quite the lengthy power cable. Here's your adapter. Now on the side here, you've got your plug, so we're gonna plug it in. So there you go. So you could use one or multiple. So the lighting range is 3200 to 5600 Kelvin. Now on the back here, you have 1, 2, 3 places to plug it in, right beside the on-off button. So now over here you've got your LED display, and then you've got your brightness level. So we can go from 0, 1, all the way to 50. Actually, all the way to 100. There we go. So that's your full brightness. This is it with the lights on. I believe this is at about 4000 Kelvin, and we are at 50%. So your knob goes all the way up to 100. So we're gonna go to 100. There is no remote control at all. That's the one thing. So two things that I would love to have is the remote control, and number 2, I would love to have it have RGB. Not that I would really use the RGB option, I just think it'd be really nice. So again, this is with it on, and then this is with it off. On, off. Now if we do it right in front of it, this is what it looks like with it, and this is what it looks like without it. Definitely something that is difficult to look at when you're about this close. It's a little better when you're over here. If you don't have glasses, it looks a little better, but you know. Anyways, that's the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.
We'll see you in the next one.